Millions of people log on every single day, searching for a way to make money fast. The dream is heavily marketed. A few hours on a laptop, a fully automated system, and massive, immediate returns. We have immediate access to powerful tools. You can spin up an online storefront, leverage artificial intelligence, or pitch freelance services to clients across the globe from your bedroom. Yet, the vast majority of people who attempt this never see a single dollar. The breakdown happens at the very beginning. Beginners step into this arena wanting the reward before they develop the skill. They expect to extract a full-time income before they figured out how to create any actual value. When they quit 2 weeks later, they blame the internet. But the system isn't broken. The failure rate comes from a complete misunderstanding of what the digital economy actually is. Every platform, from social media to global freelance boards, operates as a massive, high-speed exchange. It is a space where attention and currency are traded with clinical efficiency. This environment is governed by the laws of supply and demand. Every single transaction requires a specific skill, meeting a specific problem. If you aren't providing the solution, the exchange simply ignores you. Most users enter this space as buyers, people accustomed to frictionless, immediate delivery. But building a business requires the opposite behavior. You have to navigate friction, handle rejection, and provide evidence of your value long before the market decides to pay you. If your first question is how to make $1,000 by Friday, you've already lost. That mindset focuses entirely on the extraction of money, ignoring how money actually moves. Money is a receipt for value provided. People pay for solutions. Businesses hand over that receipt for more customers. Creators pay for efficient workflows. Consumers pay for convenience that improves their lives. Your earning potential isn't determined by the platform you use. It's directly tied to the magnitude and complexity of the problems you are actually capable of solving right now. This is why expensive courses promising a copy and paste business model always fall flat. They sell the illusion that a pre-built system can replace human effort and expertise. Behind every successful online venture is a hard, unglamorous skill. Whether it's data analysis or video editing, direct response marketing, or writing code, someone put in the quiet hours to master the mechanics, and you are competing on a global scale. Setting up a basic profile or throwing together a quick digital storefront is no longer enough to command attention when thousands of others are doing the exact same thing. To capture a meaningful share of this market, you need the patience to sit down, study the craft, and become undeniably useful. Instead of building that usefulness, beginners fall victim to shiny object syndrome. They try affiliate marketing on Monday, switch to dropshipping on Tuesday, and by Friday, they're searching for the next crypto trend. It's like planting 10 seeds, then digging them up every day. Constant pivoting guarantees zero yield. Meanwhile, successful entrepreneurs spend years of quiet practice building skills before the income becomes significant. Publishing content to an empty room or sending 50 freelance proposals and getting rejected isn't a sign that the model is broken. That initial friction is simply the marketplace filtering out the people who aren't serious. Consistency acts like compound interest. The people who eventually win aren't necessarily the smartest ones in the room. They are the ones who stay in the game long enough to learn from their own failures. Social media aggressively curates the finish line. You see the successful trader, the viral video, and massive revenue screenshots, but the algorithm hides the failed businesses and the years of trial and error required to get there. This creates a dangerous optical illusion. It compresses a decade of grueling work into a 60-second clip, making long-term achievements look like overnight events. The psychological fallout is severe. When a beginner tries to replicate that success and doesn't see instant results, they naturally assume they are inherently incapable. True online wealth isn't built in viral bursts. It happens quietly and incrementally. Mastering one single skill, serving one single client, one minor improvement at a time. You cannot bypass the process of becoming useful. The digital economy has no mechanism for rewarding someone who lacks a tangible, mastered craft. If you want to actually win, you need to restrict your focus. Choose exactly one core skill and commit to exactly one business model. Study it. practice it daily. And most importantly, keep iterating and integrating feedback long after the initial excitement of starting something new has vanished. The exact same glass screen that facilitates mindless scrolling also provides the architecture to build an independent business. The only variable is whether you choose to observe the marketplace or participate in it.